girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Baby, you're the best.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for a company that I've never worked with before. This is my very first time working with them and they go by the name of Wigcool. So shout out to Wigcool for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over this Kinky curly unit. It's actually 26 inches, but because of how tight the curl pattern is, it does look a little bit shorter, but I'm not mad at it whatsoever. The thing that I need to warn you guys about though, this unit is full. And when I say it is full, like this is just half of the hair. The rest of the hair is still in the back. Like there's still all of this back here. that you guys don't even see. So I will say, if you like something full, this is gonna be the look for you. It was so full to the point where I was just like, what am I gonna do with this? Like, how can I actually style this? And you know what? I was just like, this look that I have on right now, I'm actually gonna be wearing on vacation, but I'm just gonna do it for the video purposes with you guys, just so you guys can see. But I paired like this little orange flower. I have like a couple of different ones. I showed you guys, like I have like this pink one, but I felt like, you know, it goes good with this, you know, dress, so I got the orange one. But yeah, I have on this orange maxi dress. It's like really pretty. It has like a slit in the leg. It's like so beautiful. Definitely check it out. But I felt like this gave like vacation vibes, but it gives more like Hawaii kind of vibes. Like I really like it. It actually matches my phone case. Let me show you guys my little phone case here. This is my phone case. For twinsies. Like you see with the little loop in the hair, like it just gives that. And this one actually says Hawaii on it. You see it? But isn't this like the cutest? But yeah, I just feel like, you know, I was getting that kind of vibe, and I didn't feel like this really needed to do a lot. I didn't feel like I needed to do like a bunch of baby hair. I didn't feel like I needed to just like do like a half up, half down, because I was like looking at what a half up, half down would look like with all of this hair, and because it is so full, it just kind of looks like a taller fro when I put it in half up, down. It's like, you know what, I'm just gonna let the hair be free. You know what I mean? Be free flowing and be very earthy and pretty. And that's just how I feel right now. Like I just feel really beautiful. I feel like, you know, I feel like I'm vacation ready for sure. And like I said, there's no baby hairs on this unit. And I did style this unit like literally right out of the box. So if you wanted to, you can definitely customize the hairline, pluck a little bit more, and that'll definitely give you a better look. And also just be mindful when you're plucking the hair, it is gonna like make the rest of it like poofy. So I would suggest like after you do that, make sure you do wet the hair and then use like a brush or something to like comb it through. But yeah, I didn't put any product on this hair. I did not wet this hair or anything. Because of how full, or because of how tight this curl pattern is, wetting it, it's gonna require a lot of water. And when I say a lot of water, like you would have to drench it for it to make a difference because of how tight this curl pattern is. So for me, I feel like it's better to just leave it in its natural state, because if you do try to tame this hair, you're gonna need a lot of product. You're gonna need like a lot of product. So that is something to keep in mind. But I just feel like it looks fine like as it is. Like I don't feel like I needed to do anything like extra out, you know what I mean? Like it still looks good. There's no product. This is a glueless unit, so you can like lift it up, pull it back down, you know, no problem with doing that. So that's a great thing. That is glueless. Glueless to be a lace front is rare for me because lace fronts, like typically I always have to like use something to adhere it, but I don't have anything adhering this unit. Like I can even pull like the sides up, you know what I mean? So that's the beauty of it. It has a nice fit to it. As far as like the construction for this unit, it does come with this elastic band, but because my unit has the straps in the very back, I don't feel like this was necessary, and I was still able to do a glueless unit with just the straps in the back. So I love the construction of this unit, and I would say it definitely fits all head sizes, but it fits me perfectly, and I love that because I have a small head, so a lot of units don't really fit me like how I would want them to. And then wait, this isn't right. So this is the strap that goes in the back, and I thought this was interesting because it's a little bit different from the usual. So this is like one that I have like from another unit that has like this hook here. Let's focus that in. And then this is what this one looks like. So it still has like that grip, but it has like a bra strap kind of adhesive instead of like the hook, and the same with the middle part here. And this one from the other unit has like the strap in the middle, while this one has like a bra strap kind of thing going on. So it's a little bit different, and when you hook it in, you do hook it in with this part here. So it's literally just like a bra strap, hooking it in on both sides, which I think is still cool. I just didn't feel like I needed to have it in the unit. It's optional to have both or just one, or you know, whatever you want. But definitely love this unit. Like I said, it is very full. I'm gonna put all of the hair up front now so you guys can see like how much it is. because it's just giving like, whoa, like, wow. It's a lot going on. That's why I just had like partial, you know what I mean? Yeah, because it's just a lot of hair, girl. And I would say that this unit, even though I do have like this vacation vibe going on, I feel like this unit is perfect for like the winter fall season because of how full it is. And I feel like it'll definitely keep you warm in the colder months. I wouldn't wear this like on a hot summer day just because it is a lot of hair. It's really hot, it's really full. Or if you do get this unit, try to opt for maybe like a lower density, and then that way, you know, you won't be so overwhelmed. But it's a pretty texture nonetheless. Like, it's really pretty. I can like literally take a comb, go right up underneath there. You guys see that? And it's completely glueless. And I did show you guys earlier like the parting space, but I will show you guys again now what it's giving. So like, this is a true 13x4. And when I say 13x4, I mean 13x4 because the track starts somewhere around there. I don't know if you guys can see the track right there. But I do like the fact that it's like all the way through. Like, it's not one of those units that like skimp you out on the lace. So you definitely get like a lot of parting space as far as like that's concerned. But I like it in its regular natural state. I don't really feel like you need to do too much manipulation to it. Like, and it's beautiful. Like, even though it's, you know, kinky curly sometimes can be a bit overwhelming, and some people feel like, I don't know if I can handle all that. And then also I did want to show you guys the stretch length before I get out of here so you guys can see where this is hitting on me. So my belly button is here and this is where it's hitting. So to me, does it give 26 inch? No. I feel like this gives more like 24 inch than 26, but just be mindful if you order a 26, this is how it's gonna look. So that's important to know overall. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I know this one was like very quick and easy, probably like girl, you didn't put any effort into it, but I just feel like some units just don't require a lot of extras. They just don't. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by liking the video, drop a comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and I will see all of you beautiful people in the next one.